Ready for an earful of laughter? These corny jokes and puns are sure to pop a smile on your face, and might just have you rolling your eyes too. 1. What do you get when you cross corn with a werewolf? A mace piece. 2. Why shouldn't you tell a secret on a farm? Because the corn has ears. 3. What did the corn say when it received a compliment? Ah, shucks. 4. Why was the corn such a good listener? Because it was all ears. 5. What's a corn's favorite type of music? Pop. 6. Why don't corn jokes ever get old? Because they're irresistible. 7. How do cornfields stay up to date? They read the Kernel newspaper. 8. What do you call corn that joins the army? Kernel corn. 9. Why did the cornstalk get an award? Because it was outstanding in its field. 10. What did the farmer say when he lost his tractor? Where's my tractor? Okay, not corny, but definitely in the field of dad jokes.